Chiropractic adjustments can help you with your neck and back pain. This is because over 60% of all spinal pain comes from the spinal joints, making chiropractic treatments extremely effective. A visit to the chiropractor is like having a personal mechanic for your body, fine-tuning and fixing up what's under the hood. There's a range of techniques, each designed to alleviate pain. Some methods use gentle pressure, others more robust manipulations, but all aim to restore mobility to your joints. And here's the kicker. Chiropractic adjustments boast a safety record that outshines virtually all other spinal treatments. That's right, not only are they effective, they're also incredibly safe. Chiropractic adjustments are a safe and effective method tailored to your unique needs. But a chiropractic adjustment is more than just a quick fix. It's part of a comprehensive treatment plan designed for you. This plan goes beyond mere adjustments, encompassing strength and conditioning exercises, posture recommendations, and even nutrition tips. A chiropractor doesn't just alleviate pain, but works hand in hand with you to reclaim your health and vitality. With a well-rounded treatment plan, a chiropractor helps you reclaim your health and vitality. So, are you ready to say goodbye to pain and hello to a healthier you with chiropractic adjustments? If there's anything you're curious about, or even if you just want to share your experiences, drop us a comment. Please like and subscribe.